Here we have a 70 plate Ford Transit Coaster. Now this vehicle comes with the silver exterior paintwork. We do have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We also have the LED daytime running headlights, black trim around the windows. We also have the roof rails up top. Now we do have the front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a visual display inside. Coming around to the back, you'll also find we have the rear doors, transit custom badging as well on the left. And round to the passenger side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks or scratches. Taking a look in the back, just open up the back doors just like so. Open up this one, the handle down here. You'll find we have plenty of space inside of here. We've got the wooden panelling as well. There's a look inside. Closing them doors back up. Make sure they are closed properly, and back around to the driver's side. We'll have a look at the front now. Inside of here you'll find we have the cloth seats. We do have the foldable armrest here in the centre. We also, both of these driver and also the outer passenger seat are heated. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard just here. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left. Automatic lights down here. We then have the electric windows, and electric mirrors. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.